Hey, Burb. I wasn't gone for that long, bro. Chill. Yeah. I'm still feeling fine. I think it's the beginning of November. I might be feeling different when this video's out. Yep. What should we do first, guys? We'll do this one first. Burb. Oversharing. We want to overshare. Just some fun between best friends. From Fat Man to Burb. Show me your deepest, darkest... Family of 4 hit, Burb. Do not tell anyone about this, Burb. Yeah, I know, it's a bit dark. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Burb. Yep, even if they are against the law. Yes, we need to get us out of here ASAP. No one can see that. It sure was. It was. What? He's gonna tell everyone, isn't he? You can tell me your secrets, Burb? You don't have one? What? Okay, what poem are you working on now? Let's do it! Yeah, teamwork! Oh, what are you doing? Fruit? Eat the fruit. No, you don't want it? Fine. Blank, it's fizzing like something dentists will find when we no longer talk. I don't freaking know! Teeth! Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Uh-huh. Where's this going? Okay. Or tomorrow. Probably not tomorrow. Maybe like later. That's okay with you? Wow, Burb. We've made so many, things, huh, Burb? Alright. Well, I guess that's it with Burb for today, guys. We're gonna feed him. And then we're just gonna end the video, guys. Yep. Bye, Burb!